Welcome to Learnglish. Today we will be dealing with two confusing words, who versus whom. What is the difference? Who functions as a subject? It refers to the person performing the action of a verb. Here's a helpful tip for you. If you can replace the word with he, she, they, or I, use who. Who won the prize? Whom functions as an object. It refers to the person receiving the action. Here's a helpful tip for you. If you can replace the word with him, her, them, or me, use whom. Whom is typically used after a preposition. Whom should I vote for? Now let's try. Please like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends. 1. Do you know is coming to dinner? In this question, we're asking about the subject, so we need to say who. 2. I have a friend I trust, which means I trust my friend or I trust her, so the correct answer is whom. 3. Do you remember gave you that book? We're asking about the subject. For example, she gave me that book, so we need to say who. 4. Can solve this puzzle. It makes sense to replace it with a subject pronoun like he, so the correct answer is who. 5. There is a person to I owe my success. Here I'm talking about the person I owe him, and the correct answer is whom. Please subscribe for more content and let me know what topic should I cover next.